Today I'm going to show you how to download QuickTime Player. First go to the internet and you go to apple.com. Then you're going to search QuickTime download.
Are you waiting for an iPad or some sort of device? Okay, very good.
And you're going to click on the top one. Click on the free download. I'm going to uncheck this, not give them their email address, and click download now. Then you're going to save it. And you're going to save it to your desktop or anywhere that you want. Save time, I already downloaded it. Then you're going to go, when it saves and downloads, you're going to actually install it now. Click next. And yeah, of course you're going to agree. Then you're going to click install.
Are you ready? So what are you going to say? Ready, action. Do it.
Yeah, I'm sitting right here. You're standing
Then you're going to click finish, and no thank you, because you don't want Pro. Then it will pop up on your desktop, open it up, and you're ready to use it.